subscribe to our channel.
The best fruits to treat anemia. We can all suffer from anemia at some point in our lives. Unhealthy diet, abundant menstruation, a liver or kidney problem, lack of iron brings consequences that we do not want to ignore. In today's video, we'll list some of the best fruits to naturally treat anemia. What fruits should I eat to treat anemia? Fruits for anemia. Can fruits restore our iron deficiency? Not completely, but they are actually essential to balancing the iron levels in our body. Many nutritionists suggest that we combine foods that already contain iron with a bit of lemon. Clams, mussels, and spinach. If we add a bit of lemon, we will be able to take even more advantage of the iron they contain. Therefore, fruits are an essential complement to reduce and treat anemia. Nature always brings us natural elements from which we can obtain all the nutrients we need. Fruits can give us not only iron but also vitamins that help us balance this mineral level in our body and fulfill the deficiency. Let's take notes. We are on our way. 1. Oranges and lemons. Citrus fruits are rich in vitamin C. Just as we have mentioned, they become indispensable pieces to complement our diets. Always accompany your breakfast with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. Make yourself a good cup of oatmeal with strawberries, nuts, and almonds. Then, flavor your salads with a bit of lemon juice. All this will make your anemia keep getting better. 2. Plums. Plums are one of the best medicinal fruits. Do you know all of their properties? They are digestive, they treat constipation, inflammations, they give us energy, and best of all, they contain a very high level of iron. They are magnificent. You can consume them in a natural way or dried, ideal for your breakfasts, or as afternoon snacks. Don't doubt it, after citrus fruits, plums are great for treating anemia. 3. Apple and pear shake. Healthy, tasty, multi-purpose, and healing. Remember the old saying, eating an apple a day keeps the doctor away. When it comes to pears, we can almost say the same. You may not know about the great advantages of eating a delicious apple and pear shake. Ideal for your breakfasts, peeling the apple and the pear, add a cup of water and place in the blender. You will love it and it will be perfect for increasing your hemoglobin levels. 4. The Barbados cherry. Do you know this healing and therapeutic fruit? If not, take notes immediately because it is one of the best fruits with the highest levels of vitamin C and iron. The Barbados cherry is a type of cherry from eastern India that is cultivated nowadays in different climates. Like we've said, it contains huge levels of vitamin C, but it also contains other kinds of nutrients like vitamin B6, vitamin B1, vitamin A, flavonoids, and essential minerals, indispensable for the body. And how can we eat it? You'd ask yourself, well, fresh, in juices or even in jam. It's perfect to treat anemia, to diminish weariness symptoms, stress, fatigue, and to also help strengthen our immune system. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.